seated pose, right leg in front of the left leg. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right, right arm back, the other arm to your thigh, belly in, spine long, gaze back. Twisting to the right. Inhale, come back to center, bring your arms up. You twist to the other side, left arm back, the other arm to your thigh, belly in, spine long, gaze back. Inhale, bring your arms up, exchange your legs. One more inhale. Exhale, bend to the right, right arm down, the other arm over your head. Feel the side stretch, the left side stretch. Inhale up, exhale to the other side. Just bend to the left, the other arm over your head. Inhale, arms up, exhale. Extend the right leg long, bend the left knee. You press to your heel, your toes up. Seated, head to knee. Inhale, exhale, fold forward over the extended leg. Breathe here. Extended leg is active. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, the other side. Left leg extended, you bend the right knee. Breathe, inhale, exhale, fold forward over the extended leg. Breathe here. Head to knee. Pause. Left leg is active. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the side. The peak pose is revolve, head to knee pose. So you open, just extend the leg, right leg to the side. You bend knee, inhale, arms up. Exhale, right arm inside of the extended leg. The other arm is up. You bend to the left, feeling the side stretch. Stay here, feeling that stretch. You decide how far you come over the extended leg. Inhale. Exhale, bend the elbow, bring your hand to your lower back or more, maybe to your thigh. Stay here, breathing. Important thing is to keep sending that upper shoulder up and to your back. Let's inhale, exhale, and then next inhale, bring yourself up to do the other side. You bend the right knee, just extend the left leg to the side. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, left arm inside of the extended leg. The other arm is up. Feel the right side stretch. Inhale, stay here for a moment. Breathing. One more inhale. Exhale, bend the elbow. Bring your hand to your lower back. Or you create a bound and start to fold over the extended leg. Keep sending the upper shoulder up and to your back. Breathe here. Come to meditation. Bend the knees, sit into your heels, hands to your lap, close your eyes. Spine is long, crown of your head to the sky. Just come to your breathing, feeling your inhale and your exhales through the nose. My invitation today is to let's play together with your eyes closed. Just connect with your feelings. Feel your feelings. Witness them. Allow to feel, but do not attach to your emotions. And now release them. You can repeat silently to yourself this exercise, so just close your eyes and be with me. It's time to come back fingers, just add shoulders, blood circulation to your body. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to present.